we are looking at how to pronounce these names as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say it? Well, if you're talking about the natural satellite of the dwarf planet Pluto, this is generally said by astronomers as Charon, Charon. But this is also a mythological character from Greek mythology, in which case it is more likely to be said as Charon, Charon, or sometimes Charon as well, Charon. So there are different pronunciations for the word, and there's a bit of a debate on how it should be said. But if you're looking at the satellite, the moon, Charon is how it's generally said, because I think the guy who found it, he named it after his wife, Charlene. That's why it said Charon, I think. And now you know, but let me know in the comments what you think should be the correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.